Hello guys, today I will show you the best DIY survival tips. Here we are on the website DIYSanctuary.net. I've also linked the post in the description on the website. Here's a free review of the off-grid veteran Mark Johnson's and 25 essential DIY projects for self-sufficient living. When you go to the website, this will pop up. This is a video where he will show you the 25 essential DIY projects. But let's scroll down for now. This is the book which helps you, and everything is included with the easy projects. And here's a glimpse of what you will get, and it exactly tells you what you will need and how you can build it. For example, dig your own water well, how to run of gallons of water. This is, by the way, the man. Make almost any water source safe to drink and passively collect and store free rainwater, for example, like these systems. And how to install solar panels, real easy. Your wind turbine, low space food projects. So there are many things. There's also a shoebox garden book. And what you will get with the offer right here, because there is an offer, you get these things actually included all. So the shoebox garden box book, the American Castle, the home energy rescue plan, which is really important right now, I would say, the survival sanctuary book, and this all is actually with a discount I can offer. With my link in the description, you get a special discount on it, and you will get everything included for only $37 plus $8 shipping and handling, which is normally $131, as you can see, with a discount of $94 today. If you want to use the link in the description, it is an affiliate link, but you would help me out if you use it. But this is actually everything you will need for your DIY survival projects, and everything is included in it, and you can really build all the things that are in the books. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them below.